Welcome to RC's RC Cars, the channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to continue building this Tamiya TT-01 Type B chassis, and this is going to be part 7. We're going to be working on steps 18 and 19, which are to put the dampers onto the chassis. So let's go ahead and build them. All right. And if you happen to be building a short wheelbase, you're also going to need this part 16, which is kind of a spacer. So we don't need that. Okay, so we'll start right here on the top. All right, so I have the damper body, and I'm going to slide on this ring here. And then going to slide on the spring. And then this is the bottom of the damper. And we're going to kind of line it up where the grooves match up so it'll push in. And we're going to push in and give it a turn, clockwise turn, until it kind of locks together. This will not come back out now. Okay. And then take this part and also this part. So on this side, there's a gap there. And we're going to line it up where the whole side will line up like this. We'll line up with that gap right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then this will kind of push in there like that. And we have ourselves one damper. So let's do that again. Okay, there we go. We have all 4 here. And now we're going to use these step screws. We're going to need 4 of them. Actually, we're going to need 8 of them. Okay. If we had a short wheelbase chassis, then we'll go ahead and use the M3, which are the silver ones, which are these ones. But since we have the normal wheelbase, we'll go ahead and use these. And it doesn't really matter which side you start with, but we'll just go ahead and do the front. And we're just going to line these up on the inside hole here, that hole. And then also the hole right here on the arm. And then we'll repeat for the rear dampers. And for the rear, it's going to be also the inside hole right there. And then also this hole. Okay. And that's it. They all feel really good. And that's it for steps 18 and 19. And in the next video, we're going to put together the steering assembly, which is going to be 20, 21, and 22. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.